Well, in this video, I'm going to explain why. So in many of your machines, while sewing, the tensioner tends to pop out. You are sewing and suddenly the tension disc pops out or starts to come out slowly. In this video, I'm going to explain why this happens and how you can fix it in a very simple way. Continuing, we see that the tensioner, for no reason, it starts to come out, and we can fix this in a very simple way. Most of these old machines come with the same system. Which one is it? We're going to see it. The front cover, and on this side we'll see a tiny screw. What we can see here on this side, which is responsible for holding our piece. It's loose there. I'll tighten it. We see that it's a very simple adjustment, and the tensioner is not going to pop out at any time. Many of the old machines, some of you might be familiar with this system, this little screw. Now let's loosen it again. And we see how the tensioner doesn't come out easily. So we see that it's a very simple adjustment which we can make simply by lowering this cover and tighten that screw. Later on in the upcoming videos, we'll see different types of tensors and their parts names. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and see you in the next video.